The package length is 13.97 centimeters. The package height is 78.74 centimeters. The package width is 21.59 centimeters. Package weight, 0.635 kilograms. AC-Delco GM Original Equipment Speaker Bracket is a GM recommended replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: body, electrical and lighting. This original equipment bracket will provide the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Incredible. Item received faster than anticipated. I also did not know this item was ever an option for my Chevy Express van until recently. I would highly recommend installing this in your Chevy Express van. It's an easy upgrade because most, if not all, Express vans are pre-wired for rear speaker. The wiring harness is just hanging out above the rear doors waiting for you to buy this housing. Amazon also sells the OEM speaker connection portion of the harness.